All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Okay. Alright, sir. Now, please check it. Then what we completed there in the last session. Any idea, guys? Then what we completed there in the last session? I think so. We are preparing an application. Am I right? Okay. We are preparing an application. What is that content gear we are? What is that application gear we are preparing there? Some frame sets and all the things here we are preparing there. Hibernate. That means Hibernate. That means the servlets and JSPs and Hibernate integration application gear we prepared there. Okay. All right, sir. Observe carefully. What we are then where we pardon me, then some part is remaining there still. What is remaining there? And user interface here we prepared there. Login form and registration form both are not prepared. Am I right or not? Login form and registration form both are not prepared. Okay. Observe carefully. All right. Now, yeah, login form and registration forms are not prepared. That's the reason why here we are getting like what there. These points now. Right. Let me prepare that. Then where we have to prepare this now, home dot things here we are getting there. Now here what we are getting there, maybe application number is what there, APP09. Yes, inside this APP09, why this error we are getting, sir, every time? Cannot access default field of properties. Okay, I don't know what is the reason for it. Okay, right, leave it anyway, not required. Again, observe carefully. Now here, understand this. Here we have to go for like what there, SRC main web app. Inside this, we have to prepare login form dot HTML. Right click here, new and HTML file. HTML is not available, just click on this others. Now HTML file. You're inside this, then what we are able to provide there, login form dot html. Okay, then click on finish button. Now inside this login form dot html, just I require to prepare like what there, form tag. Here we have to use inside this form tag, method is equal to post. Login form in the sense, definitely that method is equal to post. Action is equal to dot slash. What we are able to prepare there, a servlet key I want to take. Controller servlet key I want to take. What is this controller servlet key? No, I need to prepare the servlet. I think so. I have not prepared any controller. I think so, right? Controller servlet I prepared there. Then where here we are getting what there? Do get and do post methods are available. It's okay. Now here I want to prepare like what there? Controller servlet. So controller servlet in the sense like what there? What we have to do there? Login dot do that I want to prepare. Login dot do. Here we provided there clearly. Okay. Login dot do. Okay. Right, sir. Whenever we are providing this login dot to do is an extension. On the basis of this extension only, request will come to the controller. Okay, fine, nice. Now inside this, they'll provide table tag. In the table tag, we are going to write like what their align is equal to center. And then after that, here we have to write like what there few line breaks here I want to provide. The middle here I want to get it. Now inside this, what we are able to provide there, tr tag. Inside this tr tag, td tag, username slash td input type. Input type is equal to text, name is equal to, then here we have to provide like what their uname. Right, now this is one row. Similarly we have to provide like what their another row. Now here we need to provide like what their password. Password here we have to provide. Input type is equal to what we have to prepare there. Password we have to prepare. Now it should be like what their upwd. Right. Then after that here we have to prepare button. Now inside this, now td, now here we have to provide like what their input slash td. Here we have to provide what their type is equal to submit, value is equal to login. That's all guys. Now this is exactly the meaning of like what their html file. Right, now this is the total meaning of like what their html file, login form dot html. Similarly I'm going to use what there, let me copy this. I want to go for like what the registration form dot html. Right click on this one and a new registration form dot html, other html file, registration form dot html, registration form dot html. Click on finish button. Insert this registration form dot html. Then what we require here, we have to use the URL pattern is what there, registration reg.to, reg.to. Okay, whenever we are getting reg.do, username password is okay. Then apart from this, what we require here, few more things, email id and mobile number. That means this is like what the register. Now again I require two more fields. Now this is user email id, you email, user mobile number, you mobile, raised button, then reg.to. Right. So these two forms are okay, fine. Now let me execute like what there, home.html. I want to execute this with the frames. What happened again? Right, so now here we have to provide like what is the home dot HTML. Now here we are able to get it. If we provide login, automatically here we are getting login page or not, but background color is not good. It is not showing properly the background color, right? Registration also be no background color, right? But the entire content is okay. Background color is not exist. Now let me provide the details now. What we have to do there? Now inside my Eclipse IDE, then I have to go for login form.html body is color is equal to light blue. Then registration form.html also body. I can use this. Okay. Now okay, this time it's okay. Then directly we can refresh it. Yes. Here we are getting this one registration in the sense here we are getting this one. So we want to get a little bit down, then both of them. So here what I have to do there now, these line breaks are not sufficient. Then here also be line breaks are not sufficient. I can provide some line breaks. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Finally here we are getting our required format here. That's okay, somewhat better. Right, sir. Then what next one here? This everything is ready. Now if we click on this register button here, automatically link will come to whom there. Link will come to, that means directly the request will come to what there? Request will come to the object. Request will come to what there? Directly servlet. What servlet is able to do there? Now, let me execute later on. One minute, guys. Okay. Then after that, controller servlet care required. Observe carefully. Inside this controller servlet, then what happened? Do get method and do post method is available, but in both the HTML files, here we provided do, that means post request only. So not required to commit what there do get method, just only do post method is sufficient. Inside this do post method, then what I am telling there, inside this do post method, what we are doing there. Now, first of all, let us come to the formalities inside the servlets. A response, and before that, one more change here we have to do there. In web.xml file, I have to check something. And before that, let me stop the server here. In web.xml file, here I have to use not like this servlet here, not like this. Star.do. Star.do. Yeah, on the base of that only, here we are getting like what there extension is star.do that we are getting. Okay. Now observe carefully. Then after this, after understanding this, I have to go for let me delete all these things here, not required every time. Right, sir. Home is required. All the remaining things I don't require. Okay. Now, in control the select, then what we have to do there? First of all, a response dot set a content type, text or HTML. In the case if I require any print stream, then I'm able to prepare that print stream. Don't worry. But anyway, maximum I'm not going to use print stream here. The required actions here we are going to provide like what there other content here. Now let me check this anyway. First of all, what we have to do there? First, we have to understand that request is coming from which form that I want to do. Is that from login form? Is that from registration form? That I have to know. For that purpose, what we have to do there, observe carefully. String request URI is equal to request dot get request URI method is available. Right. Observe carefully what it is displaying there. Easily we can understand it. Now what we are able to get here. System dot out println of request URI. Application name slash then login. Application name slash login dot do or application name slash reg dot do. That only here we are able to. Now let me check with that. Login. I don't want to provide any data. Just I want to click on like what the login. Now request will come to what there. Servlet javax dot servlet dot http dot http servlet is not found. Why? Alright, is available, right? And request is coming to the servlet here. We are getting some problem. Class not found exception. javax dot servlet dot http servlet not identified. Not Maven dependencies are available. servlet-api.3.jar file is available or not? javax.servlet.http session http servlet is available, right? But why it is not coming there? Why you are getting this type of exception here? Right, sir. Why it is not coming? Any other dependency is available? Can I use 2.5? This has to be removed. So right away 2.5 version is coming there. Okay. Okay, why we are getting this exception, guys? I think so. There is a mistake with the dependencies only. Not required. Not required to keep the jars in lib folder. There's a Maven web application only here we are taking. I think so. The dependencies may not be good. Now here we have to go for any version compatibility. No, okay, we are not getting any problem. Yeah, that's what I'm using there. Let me check it. Now, what you are getting, sir? Yeah, what is this, guys? One minute. Let me check it. Why server is not coming properly? Right, sir. Right. Now let me check this. Previously we got them, right? What happened, sir? Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. What is not executing there? See this, in the class path Maven dependencies are available. Java X servlet.jsp, then as well as Java X servlet-API is available here, right? The total Maven dependencies existed here. Okay, what we have to do? Then we don't have any problem with this. Pom.xml file, anything about this servlet API? Is available. Somewhere else we have mistake. What that mistake now? Nothing, sir. Dependencies are okay. They're available. What I have to do there? 1 minute, guys. All right, sir. Here we got some problem. is this? Why it is not available? Web.xml is normal. There is not another problem there. Then what servlet scale we are using, guys? Let me check with it. Servlets 2.5 version there. Let me go for some other. I want to go for some alternatives. Just wait a minute of time. Okay, 1 minute. If it is a case, Maven dependency scale if you provide there. In this case, then what I am telling there, now not required to provide web.xml file configuration. In place of this controller servlet, there we have used like what there at the rate web servlet. This is not coming. Web servlet, it has to recognize. One minute, sir. Now let me check. Let me think in my way. Yeah. Now we are getting. Why this form.html is not coming? Why is it not coming, guys? Right. Don't worry. Then give some time to me. I'll complete this example. Don't worry. We are able to execute this, but unfortunately, it's not showing that. Anyway, guys, now give some time to me. I'll finish it and I will show the outputs there. I'll give the clarity also why we are getting these problems there. Don't worry. Just tomorrow I will show the programming part for each. Don't worry, guys. Then maybe somewhere else we have done some mistake there. Otherwise, I will prepare again this application is separately and I'll give information to you. Okay. Right. Then Junesh, just talk with our admin people there regarding that. Okay. Then. Don't worry. Then I'll talk with them. Okay. Which framework batch you are attending? You know, this framework batch only, right? Yeah, yeah. And better talk with that money related things, then better talk with the admin people there. I'm not responsible for it. But anyway, then I'll give information to them. Then they will talk with you. Okay, right. No, actually, then you already had some ID number, right? I think you registered already, right? Okay, okay. Anyway, then try to talk with them. I don't have any idea on it. What happened there? Then better talk with them. They will give more information regarding that. Okay, right.